Is Windows failing to load because of the Sechost Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare to fix Sechost Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Sechost Library. It manages the security context for various system services. It handles the SecSetSecurityObject and SecLookupAccountName APIs used for ACL, access control list, verification. If corrupted, the system cannot correctly assign permissions to service processes, leading to access denied errors and the failure of background services like the Print Spooler or Windows Defender. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Sechost is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Sechost library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Sechost Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Sechost library synchronization. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Sechost library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.